Garvin Industries now manufactures a full line of watertight hubs with dual grounding provisions on both the lock nut and the body of the casting. These watertight hubs with grounding provisions come for size 1/2 inch all the way through 6 inch threaded rigid conduit. The size that we're showing here is for 2 inch threaded rigid conduit. The way the product works is quite simple. There's a threaded aperture in the body of the fitting that aligns nicely with the threaded portion of the conduit. You simply tighten it on with your channel locks to create a watertight seal. Now, by removing the lock nut, you simply expose the male threads. This portion has a black sealing O-ring all the way around that compresses against the outside of an electrical junction box when it's inserted in a conduit knockout. Once it's up against the side of the panel, the lock nut can be installed, and as you can see, the rubber O-ring creates that watertight seal against the side of the panel. Inside the box, there's a grounding provision in case a ground wire needs to be attached inside the panel or box, but there's also an aluminum lay-in lug that is bolted to the outside body of this watertight hub in case an inspector requires a ground wire to the outside. Again, these come in sizes 1/2 inch all the way through 6 inch, and they can be found online at garvinindustries.com.